Pew, pew. Yeah, you think I'm scared of you? Ha! You're about to meet your match. Pew, pew, pew. Yeah. You got me.
Hello?
Ah.
Will you have time during your recovery to do the sweeping?
Oh, hi, Uncle Andrew. I was just...
Playing? Again? I thought we covered it.
Responsibilities first, play after. I know, but sweeping is all... And this game is all... Zing! Kapow! Shebang! Don't you want me to be happy?
Happiness can also come from a job well done, you know. When I offered to let you stay here while your parents were away on their diplomatic mission, I promised I wouldn't spoil you or let you shirk your obligations.
Diplomatic mission? Ooh, you think Mom and Dad are like super top secret spies or something?
I like your big imagination. You could come get your tablet in the shop after you're done with your mission, sweeping up. Hey, kiddo, he's inside.
When did Uncle Andrew get so strict? He owns a toy repair shop. How can he tell me not to play?
Did he tell you?
Way to scare me, Zoe. Yeah, he told me to quit playing and clean up.
No. Did he tell you he was a famous toy inventor back in the day? I heard him telling my dad at a party last year. Your uncle created revolutionary toys right here in this house, but then stopped all of a sudden and opened his toy repair shop instead.
How do I know you're not just making that up?
Axel, how long have we known each other?
5 days.
And have I ever lied to you?
Oh, what kind of toys? Video games too? What did you do with them all?
I don't know. I've lived next door since I was born, but your uncle never said anything about any of it before.
I need you to finish sweeping while I go investigate.
Hey, how do I know you're not just trying to make me do your chores?
Zoe, how long have we known each other?
Yep. Pass.
Wow. Wow. Oh. Uncle Andrew, you were a toy inventor? Did you make video games too?
Well, news certainly travels fast in this neighborhood. Zoe, I presume?
She said you made revolutionary toys. Were you a secret toy agent or something?
That is all in my past. But for the present, have a look here. A rare collector's item. I've been working on it for weeks, and you could be the first to play with it.
Aren't these kind of toys for kids?
Something real will make a nice change from all of your screens.
I am Action Axel, the greatest hero in the galaxy. Yeah. Pew, pew. Toy that saves the world? Whatever. You don't even have a big bad guy to fight. Oh, unless... Watch out, Action Axel. It's the evil Perforator. He wants to destroy my video games. You gotta stop him. Yeah, bam, slam. I will never allow you to destroy his video games or the world. Take that and that and... Oh no. What's Uncle Andrew gonna say when he sees...
Axel, I found an accessory for the toy. He might need a shield.
He might, but don't come in. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Could we have dinner, like, right now?
I suppose I could go grab a pizza.
Great. Thanks, Uncle Andrew. I'll just wait in here until then. Bye. Perfect. Responsibility first, play after. Why is she still here? No. Not that. Not that either. Ah, yes. Ha. Just finished the job before. Whoa, whoa. Ah!
Welcome, Andrew.
Wow.
Do you want to play?
Hello. Play what? Just give me a second to figure out. Gotta find the right order to catch the numbers. Whoa! It's a fight game. A game lock? Who makes a game lock? A toy inventor, that's who. Come on. Beach, read it up, we're good.
You win!
Yes! Wow. Whoa! Uncle Andrew was a toy inventor with a secret lab. This is awesome! And he is making games. Whoa! Oh no, not again! Ah! Ow, what is wrong with me? I can't stay on my feet today. Cool bands, and they fit like a glove. They don't do anything, but they sure look good. Whoa! What's that light? Is someone here? Hello? Do not open under any circumstances ever. Weird.
In here! Please, help me!
Box? Are you talking to me? Because it says right here, I'm not allowed to open you up, and it's in my uncle's writing, so...
I'm not the box. I'm in the box. Let me out, I beg you. I got stuck in here by mistake. I'm trapped. You have to help me.
Are you an alien or a
No, I'm a toy.
revolutionary toy?
The most. And if you let me out of here, I'll show you how those bands work. They're revolutionary too. You can't imagine the fun.
But I think if my uncle locked you in there, there must have been a good reason.
He locked the other toys up because they were bad. But I'm not like them. You'll see.
Other toys?
Living toys. There's nothing to fear. They can't do anything. Their batteries are drained.
How come yours isn't?
Mine lasts forever. Now stop asking questions and let me out. There isn't much time. You're a kid. Don't you want to play hero?
How do I open it?
Use the bands.
Hey, I know you from the video game. Okay, guys, which one of you is talking to me? Hey, wait! Cut that out!
I am free!
You don't look like a good guy.
You'd have to ask Andrew about my appearance. He's the one who created me.
You know my uncle?
Know him? He adores me. He'll be so happy to see me finally fulfill my destiny.
Destiny?
To become the greatest toy in the history of the world. Now let me see those power bands. They hold a little secret.
Let go of me! What did you do? What is that stuff?
All I need is to get a refill from the minergy in your power bands.
Minergy?
Yeah. Yes, the life juice of living toys. Give me the bands, and I'll show you how.
No, I can't. This isn't responsible.
Responsible schmonsible. Why don't we play a little game?
No. Play. Wait up. Hey!
Minergy residue. The power bands. Madcap. I hate that guy. Hope you're awake, team. Some brat kid just let Madcap escape. We got a big problem. Turn hunt.
Hey, stop that! Come back!
Fun, isn't it? I love this game. I call it Find Where Uncle Hid the Minergy Battery.
Hey, Axel, want some cereal? Ow! Watch where you're going, Ever?
Zoe, I need you to check every room in the house. Make sure all the doors and windows are closed.
I know it's only been 5 days, but can I say that I think you're really weird right now?
Trust me. I'll explain later. Start upstairs, quick.
It better be an amazing explanation.
New game, smash everything!
Smashing things isn't a game!
Destroying the things humans made is the best game there is. Just kidding. Now give me those bands, crawl back in my box. Promise.
Nothing you could say would make me give these to you.
I don't have to talk. I can just keep wrecking stuff, and you can talk. Explain to your uncle how it all happened.
I'm starting to think I should have never let you out of that box.
Confirmation. Kid let Madcap out of the box.
Do we have a deal?
You and me? A deal?
They're in the cahoots.
Charge!
Uh-huh.
Attack the kid!
No, don't attack the kid! Ah!